are back today again with Brad.
Hello.
And today we're going to learn about moths. Yesterday we learned about butterflies, and today we're going to think about moths, and then we'll take a look at how our chrysalis and cocoons are doing. But first, I want to remember all the cool things we learned about butterflies yesterday. Brad, can you remind our friends about what we learned?
Alright, so butterflies are insects that have 3 body parts. Butterflies are bright and colorful. Butterflies can fly. They sleep at night. When they rest, their wings are together. They have skinny bodies. They have antennas. And their pupa stage is in their chrysalis.
Very good. Thank you, Brad. We learned lots of things about the butterfly, and today we are going to learn about the moth. So, Brad, can you hold that for me? Okay. So, the moth, some things about the moth are the same as the butterfly, and some things are different. So today, we're going to write all the things down that we know about a moth, and then tomorrow, Brad and I are going to try to figure out what things about the moth and butterfly are the same, and what are the things that are different. So, let's think about the moth. So, the moth is also an insect. And what did we say, Brad? How many body parts do insects have?
3.
That's right. 3 body parts. And if you look at this picture, they also have antennas. The moth, their body is a little bit different. What do you think? What do you think about that body? That's right, it's pretty chubby, isn't it? They have a fat body, not a skinny body. And their body is sort of furry. Their antenna, though, to talk for a second about the antenna, their antenna looks a little different than the butterfly. So the butterfly antenna is straight, just like a little line. But the moth antenna is feathery, looks like a feather. So let's put that up here. It's a feathery antenna. The moth can also fly. They do not look like the same colors, though, do they, as the butterfly? The butterfly was bright and colorful. Moths are usually pretty dull colors. Dull color means they're not very bright. They don't have a lot of colors. They're usually tan, which is like light brown, or gray. So we'll write that they have dull colors. And what we said dull means it's not bright. It's not very colorful. They do not sleep at night. They sleep during the daytime, and they are awake at night. Oh, that has a big word. Do you remember what that big word is? Brad, do you remember?
Nocturnal.
It is nocturnal. They are nocturnal. So they sleep during the day. And they are awake at night. When they are resting, their wings are open wide. We will learn why in a couple days when we learn some fun facts about moths and butterflies. But for now, we will just write down that their wings are open or apart when they are resting. Okay, let me see if I missed anything. Oh, their pupa stage. So their pupa stage is not the same. They are not chrysalises in their pupa stage. They are cocoons. Okay, so we're going to put this down for now. Later. And we're gonna take a look at the moths and the butterflies. So here are the cocoons. They look the same today as they did yesterday, but they are working super busy in there, turning themselves into moths. We'll look at them a little closer again tomorrow. And over here, we have our 4 chrysalises and our 1 caterpillar. And that caterpillar is working so hard down there, eating away, trying to get herself ready for her chrysalis. So that caterpillar has always been a little smaller than the other caterpillars. That's why it's taking a little longer for her to get in her chrysalis. Do you think it's okay that she grew a little slower? I think so too. Everybody grows differently. Some caterpillars and some children grow really fast and get big quickly. But some take a little longer, and that's okay. That's what makes everybody special, is that they're all different. And she is working super hard at eating enough so that she can turn into a chrysalis, just like the guys up at the top that are working hard now to become butterflies. We will take a look at them again tomorrow, and when all 5 of the caterpillars are in chrysalises, I will move them into a bigger container so that when they're ready to come out as butterflies, they have lots of room to fly around. Oh, that will be super, super exciting. But for now, I am going to say goodbye and say I miss you so much, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.